Do you know that you can upload your own music or sound on TikTok and start making use of it instead of using another person's own? Now come closer, let me show you how to achieve this, and don't forget to share for others to benefit. Come to your TikTok application and launch it. Click on this plus sign at the bottom here. It will now take you to this interface where you can choose to record any video by clicking on this red icon, or choose an existing video by clicking on this icon by the bottom left side here. Now going by that second option, it will take us to our phone's gallery where we can simply make choice of the video that we want to work on, since we are not recording a new video. Now going by this particular one, after selecting the video, it will pop up like this. Just head over to this add sound at the top center of the video, click on it, click on this search icon here. Just simply click on this discover more sound. It will now take you to this very interface. Just slide this stuff like this to review your sound. Click on your sound. Here you have two options, either to import sound from already existing video in your phone's gallery, or import local sound from your music or sound in your phone's storage device, either from memory card. Now going by the first one, that is importing sound from video. Once you click on it, it will take you to your phone's gallery. Now let's just scroll up and then select the sound which we want to work on. Let's select this particular one here, but before then, let's play the video to ensure that the sound is okay. Alright, the sound is okay. You can simply select the video and click on import sound from video. Now the sound has been imported. You can see it here, imported. If you want to import sound from your memory card or storage device of your mobile phone, just click on import local sound. It will still take you to your music or sound. Allow it to load. Let's just scroll up and then choose one as example. I have this sound. I think I love it. Don't run. Don't run. Okay. Now this is my own customized sound. Now, let me just select two of them or more. Now after that, click on import sound. You are seeing two because I selected two. Now this is the place where the imported sound, your original sound, will appear. Your next question will be, after this, if I want to upload new video to TikTok, how will I access this very saved sound or music? This is what you will do. Once you get to this interface, click on this very plus sign icon and then go ahead to record a new video, or choose the video, just the same step we followed the other time. By clicking on this, let me use another video. Okay, let me select this particular one, click on this add sound, and come over here and click on this search icon. Click on discover more sound, and the next click on your sound. It will bring you to this interface. Just go ahead and select any sound that you want. Now let me choose this don't run Murife. Okay, after highlighting it, click on good to authenticate it. So with that, you just go ahead to click on next button here and follow the on-screen prompt to post your video as usual. So if you value this tutorial, do well to share for others to benefit.